is my first time flying the Mini 3 Pro. So I just want to fly it around the park a little bit just to get the feel of it. So I still don't have the required satellites, but I'm going to take off anyway, right? I don't care about no stinking satellites. Let me check that. Different modes there of the gimbal. I never even tried that yet, so yeah. Wow. Looks pretty cool. Wow. Let me check the gimbal out here. Yeah, I haven't flown it yet, to be honest. I just did them couple of videos up there at the video transmission looks very clear, man. I mean, really clear on this thing. Holy cow. Wow. Now I'm going to come back into the sun a little bit, but wow, did that look clear going out there. Wow. Very nice. And I'm just flying line of sight right now. It just seems so stable, this thing. Wow. Really, just wow. It's really impressive, man. Really impressive. Well, let me start some video going. Just give you a little panorama where I'm at up here.
Unknown caller.
Don't you just love those unknown callers? Oh, every damn day. So annoying. Wow, this thing, it flies. It's very impressive, man. Wow, I'm kind of shocked, to be honest with you. Too hip on them bank turns, to be honest. Might have to call Ron and find out if we can get rid of that. Plus, you know I have the obstacle avoidance turned off, so I can run into stuff. But even though you have the obstacle avoidance turned off, it still gives you the red warning that you're getting close to something without doing all the, you know, the stopping and all that stuff. Now, I'm not in any kind of place right now where we can do any of this drone-y type stuff or anything like that, so yeah. But it's real cool, man. I really like it. Wow. I'll just kill that. Yeah, I'm impressed. Call me impressed, right? Marcus was right. He told me, he goes, you're gonna love this thing. All right, guys, I'm gonna land it. I don't know where I'm going this weekend. I don't know if I'm going up to Beaver or who knows. We'll find somewhere to go to make some videos, that's for sure. Wow. What a sweet ride that is. Impressive. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later, man. Have a nice day.
That's all, folks.